Is your Tesla Model S louver not opening? These shutters are part of the active grille shutter system, crucial for aerodynamics and cooling. When they fail, it impacts cooling to the battery and motor. This video will guide you through the fixes. As of 2026, many issues have been resolved via software updates, but older models might still experience problems. Let's dive in. The active grille shutter system in the Tesla Model S features motorized louvers at the front grille that automatically open and close based on driving conditions. These louvers optimize both cooling and aerodynamics. When the vehicle travels below 30 kilometers per hour, the louvers open fully to allow maximum airflow through the grille. This ensures adequate cooling for the battery pack, motors, and other components during low-speed driving or charging. Above 30 kilometers per hour, the louvers progressively close to reduce air resistance and improve aerodynamic efficiency. This minimizes drag, helping to optimize range and performance at higher speeds. The entire system is controlled by the vehicle's thermal management system, or TMS. This advanced software uses AI-driven algorithms to make decisions about louver position. Temperature sensors throughout the vehicle monitor conditions, including battery temperature, motor temperature, and ambient air temperature. These sensors provide real-time data to the TMS. By balancing cooling needs with aerodynamic efficiency, the active grille shutter system plays a vital role in both vehicle performance and energy efficiency. It helps maintain optimal operating temperatures while reducing drag for better range. Several factors can cause these louvers to fail. Early software versions had bugs. Actuators can wear out after 100,000 to 200,000 kilometers. Extreme weather, like freezing temperatures causing ice buildup, can also jam the system. Identifying the cause is the first step in fixing the problem. When diagnosing louver issues in your Tesla Model S, start by recognizing the symptoms. The most obvious sign is when the louvers fail to open, reducing cooling airflow to critical components. To diagnose the issue, check for error codes in the Tesla mobile app or at a service center. Look for specific messages that indicate thermal system problems. OBD2 scanners can provide detailed diagnostics, revealing actuator malfunctions or other faults in the louver system. Prompt diagnosis is crucial because restricted airflow can cause overheating, which affects battery health and overall vehicle performance. When software updates fail to resolve louver issues, hardware replacement becomes necessary. Professional actuator replacement at a Tesla service center typically costs between $500 and $800. For DIY enthusiasts, some success has been reported by cleaning the actuators. Use compressed air to remove dirt and debris, then apply dielectric grease to the moving parts to reduce friction. However, Tesla advises caution as DIY modifications may void your warranty. Always consult your service advisor before attempting any repairs. Real-world cases demonstrate how shutter issues affect Tesla Model S vehicles. In 2024, a California owner reported shutters failing during a highway drive, causing the battery to overheat to 55 degrees Celsius. Tesla's over-the-air update version 2024.44 resolved it remotely without needing a service visit. During Tesla's 2025 global recall, a fleet of 50 Model S taxis in New York City experienced collective shutter failures caused by firmware conflicts. After repairs, the vehicles saw an average 10% improvement in driving range and an 80% reduction in downtime. These examples highlight that both software updates and hardware repairs play crucial roles in maintaining Tesla's thermal management systems. Tesla's thermal management systems are evolving rapidly with advanced technologies. AI integration allows the system to predict and prevent shutter failures before they occur, using machine learning algorithms that analyze driving patterns and environmental conditions. Experts from automotive engineering fields, including those from SAE International, predict that AI-driven diagnostics will eliminate 95% of hardware failures by 2028. This represents a significant improvement in vehicle reliability and reduces maintenance costs for owners. Sustainability is also a key focus, with Tesla incorporating recycled materials in actuator components. This aligns with EPA mandates for electric vehicle efficiency, requiring at least 15 to 20% energy consumption reductions per cooling cycle. The future of Tesla's thermal management looks promising, with fully automated systems featuring predictive maintenance through 5G connectivity. This will minimize manual interventions and ensure consistent, reliable performance for Model S vehicles.